Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can secure your WordPress website free of cost. So first of all, I can log in into my WordPress website. Let me add wp-admin, and now here I need to add username and password. Then let me click on login button. So guys, here you can see I am logged in into my WordPress website, and in the WordPress dashboard we need to install a free plugin. So just we can go in plugin sections and install a new plugin. So you can secure your WordPress website free of cost. And here you can find out thousands of free WordPress plugins. And then search with the keyword security optimizer. And here you will get a free plugin, just you can install it. Here you can see 1 million plus active installations with 4.9 ratings. So within 2 steps you can install and activate this plugin. Scroll down, and on the left side here you can see this one, security optimizer. Just you can go dashboard, you can directly go to site security, login security, and activity log. So let's go to site security, and now scroll down. So here you can see default setting. These options and features are enabled. So it will hide WordPress version, it will lock and protect system folders. So everything is done from the start. Just you need to go and verify settings. Scroll down, and here you can add a custom login URL. So for example, here you can see wp-admin. When you add a custom URL, then it will replace this URL. For example, you can type here, you can go here in the custom, and then you can add any keyword, for example hello. So you need to add a proper link. Then after that your website will be secure. You can also configure login access. So you can add IPs that you want to allow. You can also enable two-factor authentication for admin and editor users. Just you can go and enable. So you can disable common usernames, and also you can do limit login attempts. So how many times user can try to log in. So if user fails, then it will log for 1 hour. So you can easily protect your website using this security optimizer plugin that's free of cost.